Good morning, students. Welcome my channel Bhuloks Mathematics. Last class I have already discussing about the integration by substitution. Using that we have to work out some problems. Let us come and start. Integration of s square divided by x square plus 1 whole into dx. This is one example. You have to work out that problems. How? So when here it is in the form of px by qx. When the degree of numerator is greater than or equal to the degree of denominator, at that time we have to divide the numerator by denominator till the degree is less than denominator, and then you have to use the division algorithm. A is equal to bq plus r, where 0 less than equal to r less than equal b, where a is the dividend, b is the divisor, q is the quotient, r is the remainder. So write down. So here it is, degree of numerator is x square and the degree of denominator is also x square 2. So at that time we have to divide the numerator by the denominator. So we get 1 x square, it is s square plus 1. Then here it is s square, it is x square. So you have to take 1. So 1 is multiplied with x square, we get x square. 1 is multiplied with this 1. So then minus. So that's cancelled. It is minus 1. So it is a numerator. It is a denominator. This is called as a dividend. It is called as a divisor. It is called as a quotient. It is called as remainder. What is the relation between dividend, divisor, quotient and remainder? So dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. That is a is equal to bq plus r, where a dividend, b divisor, q समान quotient, r समान remainder. Okay, where 0 is less than equal to r less than b condition. So when the degree of numerator is greater than or equal to the degree of denominator, at that time you have to divide the numerator by the denominator and use the division algorithm. A is equal to bq plus r, where a is the dividend, b is the divisor, q is the quotient, r is the remainder. Condition: 0 is less than equal to r less than b. A is the dividend, b is the divisor, q is the quotient, r is the remainder. So here in place of x square we have to write this quantity. So write down, in place of x square we have to write s square plus 1 minus 1 divided by s square plus 1 into dx. Then you have to individual division, this by this minus this by this. So integration of s square plus 1 divided by s square plus 1 minus 1 by s square plus 1 whole into dx. Okay, so this cancelled to this. Then we have to get integration of dx minus dx by s square plus 1. Okay, so what is the integration of dx? Integration of dx is equal to x. Then what is the integration of 1 by x square plus 1? Here derivative is given. Whose derivative is 1 by x square plus 1? That is tan inverse x. plus c. This is the answer. So okay. So remember, this is one very important question. Integral of x square divided by x square plus 1 integration is equal to x minus tan inverse x plus c, where c is called as the integration constant. Then another question. X to the power 4th divided by x square plus 1 dx. You see here, the degree of numerator is 4 and the degree of denominator is 2. So here the degree of numerator is greater than or equal to the degree of denominator. So in this case, we have to divide the numerator by the denominator. So we get x to the power 4th into x square plus 1. So here it is x to the power 4th, here it is x square. Your objective is to, what quantity we have to multiply in x square? So we get x to the power 4th. So we get x square. So x square multiplied with x square, we get x to the power 4th. Then 1 is multiplied with x square, we get, it is x square minus minus. So this is the cancel. Then it is minus x square. So here it is x square, here it is minus x square. So what quantity will multiply with x square? This will cancel. So that will be minus 1. So x square is multiplied minus 1. The result is minus x square. Then 1 will multiply here minus 1. Then it is minus 1. Then sign will be changed. Plus, it is also plus. So this will be cancelled. This is also 1. So here dividend is x to the power 4. Divisor is x square plus 1. And quotient is x square minus 1. And it is the remainder. So this dividend can be written as divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay? So now this quantity will be replaced by s square plus 1 into s square minus 1 plus 1 divided by s square plus 1 whole into dx. Okay, so then you have to individual division. This by this plus this by this we get. Then we get integration of s square plus 1 s square minus 1 divided by s square plus 1. Then plus 1 by s square plus 1 whole into dx. Okay, so this term cancelled with this term. We get integration of s square minus 1 whole into dx. Then integration of dx by s square plus 1. Okay, now the integration of difference is equal to difference of their integration. Here x square dx integration, that is s cube by 3 minus dx integration x. So what is the integration of 1 by x square plus 1? That is tan inverse x plus c. Okay, so this is the answer. Next, another question. Integration of dx upon cos x minus alpha into cos x minus beta. This is a very important question. Okay, how can you solve this type of question? Integration of dx upon cos x minus alpha into cos x minus beta. So in this case we have to multiply 1 by sin beta minus alpha multiplied, and here it is also divided, multiplied and divided. This is one constant quantity. We have to multiply and divide, multiplied and divided. So the result will be 1. So here it is cos x minus alpha into cos x minus beta. Okay, here it is dx. Here we get 1 by sine beta minus alpha. So here in the numerator you have to add x and subtract also x. So we get sine x minus beta minus x minus alpha plus beta. You have to add x and minus x. So that will be cancelled. Result will becomes beta minus alpha. X add kali, subtract kali. Divided by cos x minus alpha into cos x minus beta whole into dx. Okay, then we have to write. Here x minus alpha. Then write down 1 by sine beta minus alpha. Integration of sine x minus alpha, and minus you have to take in x minus beta divided by cos x minus alpha into cos x minus beta whole into dx. So here you think this is a and this is a b. Sin a minus b. Sin a minus b. Sin, you have to think this is a and you have to think this is a b. Then sin a minus b. Formula sin a into cos b minus cos a into sin b. Applying that formula we get 1 by sin beta minus alpha. Integration of sin x minus alpha into cos x minus beta, then minus cos x minus alpha into sin x minus beta. Okay, divided by cos x minus alpha into cos x minus beta into dx. So then individual division, this by this minus this by this. So we get 1 by sin beta minus alpha. Integration of this by this minus this by this. Sin x minus alpha into cos x minus beta divided by cos x minus alpha into cos x minus beta. Okay, then minus cos x minus alpha into sin x minus beta divided by cos x minus alpha into cos x minus beta whole into dx, whole into dx, whole into dx. This can be written as, so here in numerator cos x minus beta, here denominator cos x minus beta, so this cancel. So here in denominator cos x minus alpha, denominator cos x minus alpha, this will be cancelled. So we get 1 by sin beta minus alpha whole into, so integration of sin x minus alpha divided by cos x minus alpha, that is tan x minus alpha into dx minus here sin x minus beta divided by cos x minus beta, that will be tan x minus beta whole into dx. We know that tan x minus alpha integration, that will be Sin beta minus alpha. So what is the integration tan x minus alpha? Here the coefficient of x is 1. So that will be divided. So we get ln cos x minus alpha. Then tan x minus beta integration minus ln sec sin x tan x integration hochi ln sec x. It is ln sec ln sec x minus alpha. It is also ln sec x minus beta plus c. Okay, you know that integration of tan x ln sec x. So we get integration of tan x minus alpha dx, that is ln sec x minus alpha. Then integration of tan x minus beta ln sec x minus beta. This is the answer. Okay, this is the answer. Write down another question. Write down another question. Integration of e to the power sin square x into sin 2x dx. Okay, this is one question. So which quantity you have to put so that the derivative is sin 2x. So let us take sin square x is equal to t. Write down sin square x is equal to t. Once you take means you have to differentiating on both sides with respect to x. So we get dt dx. So it's on d dx of sin x whole square. So you know from chain rule, Baxter to the power n derivative 2 into sin x to the power 2 minus 1, then derivative of sin x. You know from the chain rule of differentiation. So that will be 2 sin x. Derivative of sin x is cos x. So we get cos x. 2 sin x into cos x, that is sin 2x. Then dx is divided here, so you have to multiply there. dt is equal to sin 2x into dx. Now this will be done. In place of sin 2x dx, we have to put dt. In place of sin square x, you have to put t. So we get e to the power t. Here it is dt. Here it is dt. So in place of integration of e to the power t dt is equal to e to the power t plus c. Then in place of t, you have to put sin square x. So write down e to the power sin square x plus c. This is the answer. This is the answer. Okay. So write down another question. Integration of 1 minus x square plus x square divided by root over of 1 minus x square dx. This is one question, important question. How can you integrate? First of all, you have to take the LCM. We have to take the LCM. So write down LCM is 1 minus x square. So this will multiply here. When 1 minus s square root over multiplied with 1 minus s square root over, then result will be 1 minus x square plus here it is s square into dx. Okay, so here minus s square plus s square cancel. So then we get integration of dx upon 1 minus x square. Whose derivative is 1 by 1 minus s square? An integration of 1 upon 1 minus x square root over, that is sin inverse x plus c. Okay, sin inverse x plus c. So this is all about today's class. Thank you to all for watching my videos. If you like my videos, please subscribe it and share it and like it. Thank you to all.